what a flower, just what a flower, just what a flower can do. Do. Know what a flower can do. Hi Blossom boys and girls! Welcome back to the Blossom Shop. My name is Poppy Blossom. And my name is Posie Blossom. And we're the Blossom Sisters. We are so thankful you could stop by the Blossom Shop today. And we're so grateful to be able to spend this beautiful November day with you.
You're sounding awful thankful today, Posie.
You're right, Poppy. I am. Each and every day, we're given so many reasons to be grateful. But there's one day in particular that's dedicated to giving thanks for all of the things that make our lives so blossom. And that day is almost here.
You're right, Posie. It is almost here, and I can hardly believe it. Do you know what day we're talking about? Yes, Thanksgiving Day is almost here. Thanksgiving is one of our favorite holidays in Blossom Town because it's all about giving thanks for all that we have, from family to friends to flowers. Most importantly, it's a day dedicated to showing appreciation to those that we love for all that they are and all that they do to make the world a more wonderful, colorful place.
Are you excited for Thanksgiving this year? We are too. And what is something you're especially grateful for this year? Oh, that's absolutely wonderful. Well, make sure to keep that thought in mind because today, Poppy and I will be teaching you how to make a very special Thanksgiving flower craft that we will be giving to our friends and family to show them just how much we appreciate them on Thanksgiving Day and every day.
So will you help us with our Thanksgiving craft? Yay! Since you're so great at being grateful, we'll be a big help. So, let's begin! To follow along with today's craft, visit www.blossomcompanyct.com to download and print the instructions. Today, we'll be making what we like to call thankful flowers. These flowers are special because they're grown with gratitude and because they're made with beautiful fall leaves.
They're so simple to make and they are the perfect way to show someone how much you appreciate them. Plus, they're just so much fun to put together.
All you'll need to make thankful flowers are different colored papers, popsicle sticks, glue and tape, markers in all sorts of colors, a pencil, scissors,
and of course, we will need lots of colorful fall leaves. How about we go outside and collect some together? Come on!
Now that we're back and have all of the colorful leaves we'll need, let's start putting together our thankful flowers.
First, fold a piece of paper in half, like this. Then, using a pencil, draw a big circle. Make sure the circle is pretty big so there is lots of room for fall leaf petals.
Then, with the help of a grown-up, use some scissors to cut out the circle. Repeat these steps as many times as you would like, depending on how many thankful flowers you would like to make. Posie and I will be making enough thankful flowers to give to everyone in Blossom Town.
Once you finish cutting out all of the paper circles you will be using, take one paper circle and lay it flat on the table. Decide for whom this blossom will be for, and then write down one of the reasons why you're so thankful for them. This will be used to make the blossom we're making for our Mama Blossom. There are so many things I could have written down, but one of the things that Poppy and I love most about our Mama Blossom is that she teaches us so many amazing things. From growing beautiful blossoms to never giving up no matter what. That is why I wrote, "Thank you, Mama Blossom, for everything you teach us. Love, Poppy and Posie."
This one we will use to make Denise's flower. One of the things Posie and I love about Denise is that she makes the most colorful clothing that makes Blossom Town brilliant and bright. So that's what I'll be writing here. Let's continue writing down what we are thankful for each of our friends.
Finished writing down all of the reasons why we're thankful for our family and friends, it's time to make our crafts blossom.
Turn your paper circle over. Then, with your glue, tape, and fall leaves ready, begin sticking the fall leaves onto the back of the circle to create the most beautiful designs. Let's continue doing this with each of our circles.
Once you've finished adding all of your fall leaf petals to your thankful flower, it's time to add the stem. Taking a popsicle stick, color the stem as you would like. Then, glue the top of the stick and place it onto the back of the flower. Taking the second piece of paper you cut out, glue it and place it onto the back of the blossom to secure the leaves and the popsicle stick. Wow! We finished creating our first thankful flower together! Thank you for all of your help! Let's finish up the rest of our blossom.
Ta-da! Wow, look at all of these thankful flowers. They have grown into a bouquet of gratitude, and I can't wait to share them with our friends. Me neither. Let's put them in the Blossom mailbox so Patrick can deliver them. Thank you, Blossom Mailbox! Besides our family and friends in Blossom Town, something Poppy and I are so thankful for this year is all of you. It has been such a pleasure getting to know all of you Blossom boys and girls from around the world and getting to learn about your one-of-a-kind capabilities that you use to overcome challenges and make the world a more wonderful, colorful place. Your friendship means so much to us, and that you continue to join us here at the Blossom Shop to tell stories, make crafts, and just have so much fun together. That's why, to show our thanks, we wanted to give you a very special opportunity to be a part of our Thanksgiving episode and to highlight you in a very special way. That's right. That's why last week, Poppy and I asked you to submit a video telling us what you're thankful for this Thanksgiving. We are so excited to share those videos with you right now. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1, action!
Hi, Blossom boys and girls. Hi, Poppy and Posie. Hi, we're the Blossom sisters. I am Irene Blossom, and I am Rachel Blossom, and I am Kylie Blossom. I'm Maya Martinez, and I'm 6 years old. And this year, I'm going to talk about what I'm thankful for. Thanksgiving is the time of year to think of what you're thankful for.
I'm thankful for my pets, my family.
On this Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for my friends who help me. I'm thankful for my mom because she takes care of me. Of course, I'm thankful for my mom and dad. I'm thankful for all my friends and family. I'm thankful for my mom because she hugs me. All of my family get to come over on the holidays because we miss them. I am thankful for all my teachers who help me blossom. And I'm thankful for my brothers. We play together and we have fun playing together. I'm thankful for my house, my toys and everything I have.
And my dinosaur toys, and my brothers, and both.
And I'm also thankful for my granny. She does a lot of things for me because to show that she cares about me. I am thankful for my family, my friends, and my pet turtle Flippy. And I'm thankful for Summer and Juliet. I've been given a sweet, sweet life.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, Poppy and Posie. Have a blossom Thanksgiving! Have a blossom day. You are blossom.
Wow, that was amazing! Our hearts are so full. From teachers to talents, you have so much to be thankful for. And we thank you for sending us those special videos. Make sure to stay tuned for more opportunities to be featured in our future episodes. Do you remember what that sound means? I guess that sound means that Patrick just dropped something off in the Blossom mailbox. I wonder what this could be. Oh my gardenia! Look at all of these thankful flowers. It seems like all of our friends in Blossom Town sent us a thankful flower in return. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look, this one's thankful to Posie and me for inspiring her flowery fashion line.
And look, this one's from our Mama Blossom. She said she is so thankful for 2 daughters who have shown her the amazing things that can happen when we let our true colors shine.
Aww. What a big surprise. It seems that with gratitude, just like love, the more you give, the more you receive.
I think you're exactly right, Poppy. That's why we should spend not just Thanksgiving season, but the entire year spreading kindness, love, and thanks.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next episode.
Actually, Poppy, this episode's not quite over just yet. There's still one surprise left. Ta-da! This is a thankful flower I made for you, Poppy. It says, "Thank you for being the most blossom sister in the world."
Oh my goodness, thank you, Posie. This is lovely. And thank you for reminding me, because I also made a special thing for you too. Ta-da! I also made you a thankful flower.
Oh, Poppy, what a beautiful blossom. And look, you wrote the same thing as me. Thank you, Poppy.
We hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving full of family, friends, flowers, and food. And we can't wait to see you in our next episode.
Until then, remember,
You are Blossom. Have a blossom